Armor and Woody and Pikmin. Episode 2. Armor Pikmin versus shackett. Armor. Woody. Oh. Again, ship? Why always keep following? Yeah, why you keep always following us? I don't know, because that's how the game works, because I don't have to follow you, because that's so hilarious. Like Pikmin 2. Haha. Yeah. Anyways, hope on you guys can find your treasure. I hate you. What do you say? Oh, no, nothing. Anyways, come on, boy, let's go. So, where you go again? Wait a second, Woody. We'll find that treasure. You gotta stop us and tell me to. You gotta get more money, get your treats, and big. Whose treasure? Whose treasure? Oh. Whatever. Well, I don't know. I don't know why you have a big treasure. To be honest. But anyways, let's keep going. How many you got, Pikmin? Got 4, me. 4. Okay. Man, I wish I had more over the Pikmin. Me too. Alright, come on, let's go. Hey, you got the 2 Pikmin, and you're not 4. And maybe. Huh? It's Mark. Hey, wait, Pikmin, wake up! What? It's Mark. And Woody too. Hi, Mark and Woody. Hi. So, what you guys just do is, what you guys doing here? Well, I gotta find that treasure. Try to find, about, you'll have to go find that treasure, the big treasure, get more money, cause my boss told me to get more money. Oh, see ya, boss. I thought you get more money, Dad. Yeah, but we still get money out, dude. Are we still here to pay our 444? Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, it is. Will we help you again, guys? Yeah. So, yeah, well, can we try to go, guys? Yeah, let's go. Ugh. Walking, whoever. Ugh. Ow. Ugh. Man, that walking taking ever. I'm gonna go and sit here to land anyway, man. I'm sitting here to walk. Oh, alright. Why are you shouting at me, huh? It's Rock Pikmin. Hi, Rock Pikmin. Why are you having a shit on me? That's not really nice. Sorry, Rock Pikmin. Look, you need to, you find that with the treasure. So, yeah. Well, we were asking my questions. Why you haven't shit on me? Well, it was such a reason. I tried to find a treasure, but, you could go to the boss told me to get more cocos to get more money of that, so yeah. Well, but why? Okay, but why you have me? Can we before I go? Can we apologize to me when you said me? Sorry. That's better. Let's go. Alright, come on, Pikmin. Come on, Woody, let's go. Okay, me. We'll try to find our treasure. Wait, huh? Why should it be shadow? Wait, it's not shadow. Whatever. Wait a minute. Why are you trying to join us? Uh-oh. It's a shadow watcher! Oh, wait, what is this? Huh? Wait, did you... Wait a minute. Is it... wait a minute. The father. It will control us in the... Wait, does it want a sticks book? And why would you put it in your hand? I don't know. What it is. The color! Ah! Wow! Ow! Ow! Whew. Sorry, guys. Hey, that is not a sticks book or shadow roster. It's Way Pikmin. Oh, hi, Way Pikmin. Hi. Aw. It's Way Pikmin. Huh? It is Way Pikmin. Oh, sorry, Way Pikmin. We apologize if we were angry earlier. It's okay, IMR. But anyway, so where are you guys going? I'm gonna go find treasure the cocoa. You get more money. Yeah. Oh, you was do get a treasure of cocos? Okay, enjoy. Hooray! Alright, let's go. Yeah. Alright, I'll come in with you. Yeah. 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 Huh? Hey guys, what? It's a treasure. Ooh, this is a treasure. Easy. Alright, Black Piggy, you ready to go get a treasure? Be pressured. Alright, how many will this carry? What is that? It's shaking. Why are you even so shaky? What's going on? Doors are not as sticky. And oh no, it's a hold. I know who it is, guys. What? Where is it? It's the first second. Oh no! Here you kill one Pikmin! Oh, you burn second? Take this! Whoa! 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 What? Take this. Whoa! You bet. Oh! Ah! Oh, this is way bad. Wait, Pikmin, get him! Hey. Just chill. Whoa. Oh no. I think it to me. Oh no! Wake maker trouble! Shit! Hey, Shackett! Wait, pick of the wall! Uh oh! We. Oh no! You killed a white pigman! Ah! Oh no! I think it ended us. Yep. Ah! Huh? What's wrong with Shackett? Oh. God. Yeah. Wow. Wait, Berserker is dead? But how many Berserker dead? Oh, because I'm so stupid because we were white pigmen to die, so Berserker just eat them when you do it. Just it's crazy. Yeah, it's crazy. Ugh. Anyways, let's go get a treasure and get out of here. All right. You got two. Alright, let's go. Come on, guys. Let's go get back to Coco. Alright. Dun 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 dun. Air. Dun dun dun. Yep, you got a treasure. Let's go back, cause you go here and start your night time. Yeah, what's it with all the anyways? Me saucy your bird secrets. I thought you would do a while, there's no creature here. You would just saw your plant, but nope. I know one more little creature is bird secret. Come on, buddy, let's go. Okay. Bye bye, Pigman. Bye. Alright, let's go home. Okay, let's go. Alright, let's go. Let's get out of here for your picture back. Yeah. Yeah, Tio. Pathway cover soon.